What's up, YouTube? Man, I got a fire video for you today because I'm going to show you how to make money on Autopilot for free. So this is going to be like $100 per day method. So if you got a phone, if you have a computer, if you have a tablet, I'm going to share with you how you can do this. Now, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I don't want you to skip out on the most important things. I'm also going to give you a tool that you can use, which is absolutely free. So this requires no investment, and it doesn't matter where you are in the world. This is going to be a worldwide method that I'm going to share with you. So that's the next thing about this video. So if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Andre. Let me know in the comments where you're from, where you're watching this video from, so that way I can create videos for you so you can implement these methods and strategies so you can start making money online. So if you've never made money online before, subscribe to this YouTube channel because I have some great videos for you and you're going to enjoy every single one of them. So make sure you check out the ones that I've created before. So make money on Autopilot for absolutely free, no investment required, and it's going to be showing you how to make $100 per day. So stay tuned and keep watching. Let's jump inside of the video right now. So there it is. As I said before, I'm going to show you how to make money online for free, $100 per day online. So we're going to go back into the programming right now. And this is not any surveys that you have to fill out. So I know most of you are probably doing surveys here and there, and I'm sure you're probably tired of it. You're probably sick of it because you're only making a little pennies here and there. I'm not saying you can't make money doing that, but doing surveys over and over again without any huge return can be a little bit, tiring. So in this video, it's not about surveys. It's not about drop shipping either, right? It's not about you calling people and telling them, hey, I need you to do this or to do that. I'm going to show you how to make money on Autopilot for absolutely free. So we're going to dive into the video. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to Instagram. Now, before you get ahead of yourself, I'm going to show you how you can dominate this and how you can get money inside of your pocket. So keep watching. So there is so many different niches out there that you can pick, you can choose from. For me personally, I like the luxury niche, right? This is one of my pages and I post like 5 days ago on here. I used to post religiously over and over again, but I kind of slowed down on this page because I've created multiple other pages. So this one, I'm trying to revive again. I'm trying to get it back up and running. So I'm slowly start posting on this again. Now, there are so many different things that you can do. You can go into like the make money online niche. So if I type in make money online, if I click on here, you can see over 2 million hashtags already. So if you look here, there's make money online page. So if I click on this one, this has over 3,456 followers, and there's over 200 he's following too, right? So this person right here, I can tell they have an eBay link in their description. But what this person is doing, they're missing out on a lot. So let's see, when was their recent post? And the recent post was 3 years ago. Like this person like literally stopped posting. Not sure why, but that was like 2017. Now, I would model this. I would try this again. So I'll go like make money online. And the reason why I'm going into the make money online because it's just a better way. So if you click on here, this person, last time they post was in October. So the main purpose of this is you want to always be able to consistently post. And the more you post, the more people are going to follow you. Now, I'm not going to tell you to go do this manually. Everything is going to be done on Autopilot. So that's why I'm going to show you how to make money on Autopilot. So keep watching the videos. Now, a specific way that, once you create your Instagram account, you can start to post daily. Now, the trick about Instagram, if you have a brand new account and you don't post consistently for at least the first 21 days, eventually Instagram is going to lower your engagement rate, and they're going to say, all right, this person is not posting as much as they're supposed to do. Now, you don't have to post 6, 7, 8 times a day. Like for the first 21 days, you can post 6 times per day, right? So you can post like 6 times a day. That is good. And 6 times meaning you can post at like 9 a.m., 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., 6 p.m., and 9 p.m. again. Now, in the Make Money Online, if you click on here, is on Make Money from Home. I'm going to do that because people always want to make money. You can see people are always consistently posting money. Now, if I look at this particular website here, that they are posting, let's see, when was the last post? So this was, wow, this was 12 hours ago. 12 hours ago, they have posted 81 posts. They have over 2,000 people following this. So this, you can see that people are always interested about money. So this person, that's all they do is post about money. Now, if you look right here, it's a make over $500 per day. Start your earnings right now. So you don't even have to put like your face on here or wherever. This, you could build a page because people is just finding a way how to make money. So they really don't care. So if I click on here, all right, this is like, if you look on here, if you want to earn money, select your country. You can select, I don't know what this is, but this person is basically like, it's like an instabio.cc. Not sure what that is, but the main purpose of this is I'm going to show you how you can have multiple links just like this person, but it's a different software. Now I'm going to show you another Instagram account. If you look on this Instagram account, not sure who this is, but this is like Linktree. When you click on Linktree, you see this person have like YouTube. You can tell that's YouTube. This is not in English, but this says Facebook. This is our YouTube, and this look like Portuguese. So this is like Linktree. If you click on here, it's going to take you to their YouTube channel. Right? Shout out to whoever has this video. She has over 17,000 people now. You know, her page is going good, right? So if you look right here as well, right? Look over here. She has over like 24,000 people. So you can tell like this person is consistently, you know, posting and engaging over and over again, right? So Linktree is what I was talking about. This is absolutely free. You don't have to sign up for it. And then once you sign up, you click on here and you create your Instagram account. You could sign up with your Instagram account if you want, or you could just go right here, put in your email, put your username, password, and your password here. Once you register for it, you're going to get a link just like this. And this is where you're going to insert it into your Instagram. Now, reason why we're going to insert it on Instagram, because we're going to be promoting multiple different products. Now, the website that I'm going to share with you is a website that is called Warrior Plus. Now, there's so many different products on here that you can advertise. Look right here. There's like recurring profit machine. There's Funnel X. So over here, this is like the average sale. This is what you're going to be making. So you can never run out of products to promote and make money, because people always looking for ways to make money. Now, I'm going to show you a product which is really doing good right now. This particular product, and it's called 24-hour commission hustler. Like this right now is good. As you can look, there's over like 57% conversion rate. There's like a 1268 average customer, as there's a $22 you're going to be making every time somebody sign up, and there's like a 1% refund. So you can request like the affiliate link like right here. And then once you get the affiliate link, you're going to put it inside of your Linktree. So you're going to link a couple, and all you have to do is post Make Money Online videos, right? Not videos, but posts. You can get these posts from other people. You can type in Make Money. You can do luxury if you want, but Make Money is always a good thing. And then once you type it in, Make Money Online, and you come over here, you can see people are posting motivational quotes. People are posting laptop lifestyle. There's money and all these things. So once you start posting this, it's going to be good. Now, as I said before, I'm going to give you another tool where you can auto post. So if you go over to this particular website, it's called Post Early. Post Early is absolutely free, and you can get like one, right? You can get one free plan, for one account is absolutely free. If you need to get multiple accounts, it's like $3 basic. So build annually, or you can do $7 a month. So if you do it for the entire year, right, it will be like basic $3. If you do it monthly, it's gonna be like $7 every month. Now that's not bad, you know. If you that's if you want to get more accounts. But if you don't want to get more accounts, you want to start with the free one and you don't have any money, just go here. But for the people who want to spend at least $7 every month to have 3 accounts, you can let this do all the work for you on autopilot. So you get all the images, you get all the videos, you set them up, and this will do the work for you. It will post for you. It will do everything. So if you want to set them up 6 times or 3 times a day, where you're going to post consistently, get your hashtags and everything, and it's going to be an autopilot. So that way, when people click on your link on your link tree, just like this, you can get people signing up, and you can make money every day, at least over $100 per day, just by doing this. And it's pretty simple and it's easy for you to set up. So I hope this video helps. I wanted to just share it with you. So again, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And I've created videos all the time. So let me know what you think in the comments, and check out my description, and I'll send you over my #1 recommendation of how I make money. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.